I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to change this thermostat in a Chevrolet Impala. This one is a 2004. Here's a quick look at the tools I used today. Flathead screwdriver, long pair of 90-degree pliers, a pair of pliers like that, 13mm wrenches. I got a ratchet here with a universal socket, a 13mm, I think an 8, and you might need one other socket. And then a flathead screwdriver. I already said that. So, with all that said, we'll go ahead and begin today's project. Alright, so basically, I'm just going to be showing you how to access the thermostat. If you have any automotive knowledge, you'll be able to use today's video to change your thermostat. And what I did to access it is, all data says you need to remove this exhaust pipe right here. I got by without doing that. And what I did was, first I came over here. You got this piece right here. It's like a 8 or a 10 holding that piece in. You take this hose off, lift this guy up and out of your way, and then we come over here. If you watch my finger right there, there's a 13mm nut. So you pull this guy up and out, and then you have 2 coolant hoses. Remove the clamps, put them back there, and then pull this guy off. Then lift this piece up to about up here, and then that piece will be out of your way. Then the next thing I did was, and there is normally an intake hose tube sitting right here. You can go ahead and take that off. Then I took the shield off. Next time I try one, I'm going to try and do it without the shield removal. You may be able to do that, but if you have to, then there is 2 tins sitting back there, and then there's 2 tins sitting right there. You can see one's back installed and the other one I broke off. That's okay, it'll still hold the shield on. But you take the shield, you pull it up, and then you pull it out and get it out of your way through there. And then finally, you'll have your thermostat housing, which is sitting right here. You can take that hose off, and then you got 2 13s. One is sitting right back in there, you can see him. Then the other one, I don't know if you can see him, but he's sitting down in there. The bottom one, you can loosen up almost all the way, and then just pull the thermostat housing off once you have that top bolt removed, because this thermostat housing has a little slide piece that just slides onto that bolt. Or you can take the bolt all the way out, doesn't really matter. So once you take this guy out, you'll see your thermostat sitting there like this. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get everything out of the way. The other thing I did that I forgot to mention was this hose. I also took this hose off as well, so I could lift this piece up better. And like I said, you loosen this up, so you'll be able to do all that. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's a brief overview on how to access your thermostat. Like I said, if you got automotive knowledge, you'll be able to use this video to replace the thermostat. If you're a first timer, you may want to look for a more in-depth video. So that concludes today's little project. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you would just like it, subscribe, and leave comments and stuff like that, that'd be great. Thanks, guys. See y'all next time.